Hello, you are highly welcome. Into this tutorial, we are going to solve this problem on the board. So this is a radical equation. How are we going to solve this? Now this is what we are going to do. Let this inside x minus 2 here, let it be a particular variable. So say let y equals x minus 2, and if x equals y minus 2, so this is showing that x minus 2 must be greater than 0. Then we have x must be greater than what? Must be greater than 2. So that is telling us that whatever we want to get here must be greater than or equals to what? Must be greater than or equals to 2. Greater than or equals to 2. So now we have what? We have the square root of y multiplied by the cube root of what? Y, then equals 32. Alright, so from there, what you're going to do is that you know that when you have the square root of a, this will be a to the power of 1 over 2. You remember? That is from what? From the law of indices. So you use that now, those y to the power of 1 over 2 multiplied by y to the power of 1 over 3, the same thing, then equals what? Equals 32. Alright, so from here, the next thing we're going to do is that from the law of indices, when you have a to the power of b multiplied by a to the power of c, so this implies that a to the power of b, alright, plus c. So that is, we are going to add the powers together, and that's going to be y to the power of 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3, then equals what? Equals 32. Are you following? So from there, you're going to have y, so 1 over 2 plus 1 over 3. So when you simplify it, having a single fraction, so we're going to have this to be 6, this will be 3 plus what? Plus 5. Sorry, plus 2. Then we're going to be having 5 over 6. Alright, so it means that when you add these two together, so we're going to have 5 over 6. So that we're going to have 5 over what? 5 over 6, then equals 30 what? 32. Alright, so from here, the next thing we're going to do here is that we have what? We are going to take the both sides, or let's raise the power of these two sides. That is why 5 over 6 by what? By 6 over 5, like this. Then equals, 32 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 5 multiplied by 6 over what? 6 over 5. So we're going to have y. So you see that this 6 we cancel this 6, 5 we cancel this 5 here, we are left with y. Then equals what? Y equals 2. And here, this 5 we cancel this, we have 2 to the power of what? 2 to the power of 6. Understood? And you know what is 2 to the power of 6? So when 2 multiply itself 6 times, alright, so that is when you have 2 to the power of 6. So 2 to the power of 6 will be giving us 60 what? 64. Now, so this is why we got to be 64, but you need to recall that the y is equals to what? Is equals to the square root of x minus 2. Is it square root? Y is equals to x minus 2. x minus 2. So therefore, we are looking for x, and we got what? We got y to be 64. So it means x minus 2 will be equals to 64. So we have x is going to be 64, then add 2, you take or transpose 2 to the right hand side. Then we're going to have x to be 66. So we have the solution to this problem to be 66. Alright, so let's check. So we have the square root of x minus 2 multiplied by the cube root of x minus 2 then equals 32. So we want to know whether what we have is right or not. And don't forget that this x equals 66. The 66 is greater than 0 because we've already stated that from the beginning. So now let's check. We have 66 minus 2 multiplied by the cube root of what? Of 66 minus 2. So this give us 32. Alright, so we're going to have 66 minus 2. That will be what? That will be 64. We have square root of 64 multiplied by the cube root of what? The cube root of 64. Will this give us what? 32. Now the square root of 64, that will be 8. Then multiplying, and the cube root of 64 is what? Is 4. So will this give us what? 32? Yes, because 8 times 4 will give us 32. Then you can see equals 32. So which means that the x equals 66 is the valid solution to the problem. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share to your friends so they can learn from this. Bye bye.